April as one of the most notorious villains, Benjamin Poindexter, better known as Bullseye, is actor Wilson Bethel. He is known for his shows like Heart of Dixie, All Rise, Untamed, How to Get Away with Murder. He's got 4,000 shows if you look up his Wikipedia.
I mean, truly, and that's not all. He can also be seen in the new thriller, Imperfect Women. Please welcome Wilson Bethel. Hello.
Thanks for having me.
Were you back there for what felt like an eternity?
No, I was nature bathing from Bryant Park. Yeah.
Do you like nature? Are you a city guy or a
preference?
No, I'm definitely very comfortable in nature. Yeah.
In nature?
Yeah, I nature bathe.
You're from New Hampshire, though,
I'm from
right?
New Hampshire, so yeah,
Oh,
the nature bathing is just what we do up there.
I think it's on the license plate, New Hampshire, bathing in nature.
Bathing in nature, yeah.
Live free or die and bathe in nature?
We rock outhouses, dude. We don't mess around in New Hampshire.
Do you really?
Yeah.
Still? In this day and age?
Yeah.
You said
like it?
outhouses.
Yeah.
Like for Poodle and Doodle.
Yeah.
I actually looked at a house recently just for fun, and there was an outhouse in the back, and I was like, charming.
Yeah. I mean, honestly, it's a way of life, man. You know, throw a little sawdust on top, call it a day. Yeah.
This is not what I was expecting from this villain that I love.
Let's keep it going. Let's just talk. Honestly, let's forget Daredevil. I want to talk outhouses with you guys.
I agree.
Because I don't think, suburbs, you can be the guy. You can be the guy in your hood who introduces the outhouse in a very cool way.
Yeah, but it's gonna be like an upscale outhouse. It's not gonna be like a
nothing wrong
legit.
with that.
You want an upscale? It's like glamping.
Sure. A glamping outhouse? Yeah.
And
absolutely.
if you're going to do an outhouse, don't give me a thing. I want a sink.
What was the other alternative?
When you go into a...
Like a pump?
Yes, a pump.
Like a well?
No.
No, you're talking porta. I want to be very clear. Porta potties and outhouses are not the same thing. Porta potties are pretty gross.
Okay, we're
then you're talking about like sitting around cooked plastic. Nobody wants that.
Okay,
so wood is
cedar,
warmer and better.
A cedar.
You're talking a cedar. You're talking something, ideally like a little like moon cut out of the side.
You're in the old west right now.
We're going classic.
Yeah. You have like Clint Eastwood knocking on the door.
Yeah, that's how we roll.
I like that.
Yeah.
Well,
Dang it.
It's great having you.
Yeah, anyway, it's been a great talk.
Thank you so much.
I'll have my outhouse guy contact you. They're a lot cheaper than plumbers.
We need an outhouse guy too, though. That's important. You have a contractor.
Oh my God. Season 2.
Daredevil.
Born again.
Yeah.
We hear your character might even be more dangerous. How is that possible?
I murder a lot of people. Yeah.
I mean,
it's one of the things I do best.
Someone has to.
I mean, the show is wild. It's extremely violent, but it's also extremely timely, beautifully written, beautifully acted. It's an amazing season of TV. I'm super proud of being a part of it, and this character is a lunatic, but kind of weirdly lovable lunatic. So,
so far, what we met of you, it's perfect.
Yes.
Right? Yeah,
Makes complete sense.
Yeah, man, I'm just so excited for people to see it. I think this season is kind of gonna knock people's socks off.
And your name is Poindexter.
Yeah, sort of like the least likely name ever for somebody who is like mass murder on his business card.
Let me tell you something about the name Poindexter for a moment, shall we?
This is gonna be good. You're gonna like this.
I was an overnight rap DJ on the radio in Tucson, Arizona, and my name is Brooklyn, and my boss was like, "You're not cool enough for Brooklyn, so come up with a nerdy name," and thus I was born Poindexter.
Wow, you were DJ Poindexter?
DJ Poindexter.
Dude, that's amazing. What kind of rap are we talking about? Like radio rap or like?
No, like gangster rap, and no one, they didn't think I was white. I changed my voice quite a lot.
Wow.
This tall Jewish drink of water.
So Poindexters unite.
Dude, this is incredible.
This is a moment.
This is a deep
I've never met
connection.
another Poindexter.
Yeah, I mean, neither have I. I mean, it's also like weird that we only share Poindexter as our aliases.
I know.
For doing weird
things. Yeah, for
whether-
going out of
Well,
character.
as the Juan Marisol in a Poindexter
You want a sandwich
That's
right
all
now.
right. Yeah.
I'm an imperfect woman.
Yeah.
New show.
Yeah.
Holy smokes.
Yeah.
Crazy.
Yeah.
You're busy. You're a busy actor.
I feel very blessed to be such. Yeah.
How do you get to the gym?
I don't, man. Yeah,
You're just natural.
Yeah, just genetics.
Good for you.
Going-
Building outhouses.
Exactly.
Yeah, exactly. Swinging that hammer, man. Swinging that hammer.
Cutting that moon perfectly in the door.
Yeah. Imperfect
tell
Women.
us about who you portray in the show.
I don't want to spoil anything for folks, but it's a show with Elizabeth Moss, Kerry Washington, Kate Mara, sort of murder mystery that is sort of about the secrets that friends
You're good.
carry
You're still
into
good.
the-
You're still good. I'll keep you honest.
You're doing really well, not revealing
You're
anything.
not giving
but
away too
I
much.
play a sort of shady character from Kate Mara's past. Shady's what I do, man.
I was gonna
do
say.
shade.
You know, I had an earlier stage in my career where I was like sort of fun-loving, and then I moved into some sort of like, you know, righteousness, and now I'm just murdering people and generally throwing shade. So
Shade.
Versatile.
yeah, that's what I do.
That's
Do
good.
you enjoy getting into that world in
Love it, man.
psychopath and then coming out and being like,
I'm also excited to see what the next world is that I'm moving into, which I don't know what that'll be. You know, I'm thinking maybe like
Skinamax.
God
You're
willing.
welcome.
God willing.
You're welcome.
Yeah. My nipples really just need to see the light of day.
I can see them. I can see them.
Yeah. It's chilly in here.
Before we go, we want to congratulate you because you recently made it to Instagram. And with a picture so brilliant.
Thank you.
Can we have it? Look at this picture.
Oh God.
your dentist is proud.
Yeah. Amazing.
Well, not so much. The coffee stains are really
It's
coming.
Doesn't matter. It's real and it's natural. This is the only picture that exists on your Instagram account.
Welcome.
I'm obviously somebody who doesn't know how to use modern media very well.
Keep it that way.
Yeah.
You'll be so much happier.
Don't do it to yourself.
Seriously.
Truly.
No, it gives me a fair bit of anxiety. So I just figured, like, you know, I got my publicist standing over there. She's like, I think it's time to open an Instagram, and I was like, okay. And then that's what I gave
And
her.
that was
And then
the
she was
opening
like, you know,
shot.
I actually think you can close your Instagram. I don't think the world
You
will be a
peaked?
worse place for it.
They're gonna make a Finsta for you.
Right.
Of all your like
Finsta,
hot pictures.
I was like, wait, what's a Finsta? Now I
know.
don't remember what it is now.
Instagram,
But fake.
just outhouses.
Just for Poindexter.
Yeah, just Poindexters and nips.
And men who like outhouses.
Yep, it's perfect.
Thank you so
Such a
much
niche.
For joining. This
Of
was
course.
fun. This was fun.
Yeah, we could go all day.
I
It was nice
know.
to meet you.
I mean, you don't
Tell-
miss arm day.
Yeah.
I know you say you don't go to
you.
the gym, but maybe he wakes up like that.
It does. It's genetics.
Thank you so much.
Right on, guys. Do I just leave? Or
Don't
how does
no,
it work?
stay. They always go.
oh,
No,
all
and they
right.
walk through our shot. It's terrible
Okay,
for
all
them.
We gotta read
I was
stuff.
back there
Terrible for 'em.
making a bunch of noise. I didn't realize you guys were in the middle of a
Oh,
segment.
no, it doesn't
out
matter.
here
Nobody's
talking, like couples, how to resolve. I should have been listening
It's
instead
okay.
of
You could have
yapping my
jumped out.
mouth.
You could have jumped
Yeah.
out and.
You married? You
Next
married?
time. Yeah, I am. Yeah.
How long?
5 years.
You're carrying the 2 right now, aren't you?
Yeah.
You're doing the math. yeah.
Thanks, man.
Yeah.
Thank you. I mean,
hard work.
It ain't no joke, man.
It
I mean,
ain't-
it's not building outhouses, but
No, it's-
next hardest thing.
Yeah.
Check out Daredevil Born Again Season 2 premieres tomorrow on Disney+. Also look for him on